Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the Call of Duty Black Ops 6 DirectX error, and this is like 0X887A0005, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you guys can do is, before opening up Steam, go ahead and right click on it and just hit run as an administrator, and once Steam is open you can make your way over to library, and you can honestly just check to see if that fixes the issue. You can go ahead and play Call of Duty, but if that does not fix the issue, the second method you guys can do is go over to Call of Duty, right click on it and hit properties. From properties, go over to installed files, and then from installed files click on verify integrity of game files. Once this is done verifying, you should be good to go, and you can go ahead and see if that fixes the issue. Another method you guys can do is simply just reset your Wi-Fi connection or use an Ethernet cable instead. But if you don't have access to an Ethernet cable, just restart your Wi-Fi router, and you can do that by unplugging the power cord for about 30 seconds, plug it back in, and then you should be good to go. I recommend restarting your PC as well after doing that, and once you do all of these things, you should be good to go and you are all set. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.